Optimizing your tech career in an era of AI. In the fast-evolving landscape of technology, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, is reshaping the dynamics of the tech industry. By understanding the intricacies of navigating through AI trends, professionals can not only future-proof their careers but also leverage the transformative potential of AI to propel their professional growth. AI skill development strategies. In the realm of AI skill development strategies, the emphasis lies on equipping individuals with the necessary tools to not only adapt but also excel in their roles. Professionals keen on optimizing their tech careers must explore effective strategies for acquiring AI skills, ranging from foundational concepts to advanced applications. Navigating career pathways in AI. Navigating career pathways in AI is a critical exploration for tech professionals seeking to strategically align themselves with the dynamic landscape of artificial intelligence. Strategies for adapting to AI disruptions. Strategies for adapting to AI disruptions become instrumental for tech professionals aiming to stay resilient and relevant in their careers. Building AI-driven innovation in your career. Building AI-driven innovation in your career emerges as a pivotal strategy for professionals seeking not just to adapt but to lead in the era of artificial intelligence. Conclusion. In conclusion, optimizing your tech career in an era of AI requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses skill development, strategic navigation of career pathways, adaptation to disruptions, fostering innovation, and careful consideration of ethical implications. Strategies for adapting to AI disruptions are essential for resilience, urging tech enthusiasts to stay agile and continuously learn in the face of technological transformations.